Math 746. Math 746. This is a question that is put to you and planted here online forever and ever, to our generations, to our people, to our race, to our kind. Are you a part of that very generation? That very few in number, that very few that control our world? Only 1.44%. Our household. Important for you to know this very number. 1.44%. Or in other words, 144,000. Depending on the, as a matter of fact, ratio, depending upon the population. Are you a part of that? Do you know them? Have you seen them? Has your eyes been opened to see them? It's not about their color. It's not about their height. It's not about how much money that they have in bank. Could be your own ancestors. Are you a part of that population that continue to see our world as number one, battleground? Battleground, no less, no more. And as marketplace, mart. You see, the reason why you have to see our world as a battleground is not a physical battle, but it's a spiritual battle, a spiritual warfare. In order to bring you down, in order to bring you below, in order to suppress you, in order for you to, it's a cycle that surrounds, regardless of race, regardless of background, regardless of education. It's a battle that you, as alive, would face all the days of your life to push you down and to suppress you. Have you connected to a living plan that will ensure that you continue to emerge as victorious, able and affluent, and happy and in harmony on earth? This question you have to answer at the with our spiritual exercises. You have to answer it at the convenience of your own home, in meditation, in privacy of your own home. You see, when you have our spiritual exercises, you begin to think about it. Why would you go and you relax in the bed? Give it a thought. Some people are right now in the. It's not about race. You see the white people; they are fighting, battling. The Americans fighting. The Israelis fighting. And you, maybe as a black person, you are over there saying that the white people is against you. Inside them, the white people, they are also against themselves. Within them, you see them fighting against each other. What do you think that they want to stand? What do you think is the power, the force that they want to stand? You see, the thing is this: the universe must surely survive somehow. The worst thing that can happen to the universe is to allow the universe to enter into the hands of people who does not share that one plan, that one dream, vision, imagination. The LTB Light member that sent you this very video knows that after watching this very video, you will see clearly that very 1.44% and not be against them. The least you can do is to share the light so that they will start strong and be building, so that our universe will continue and not end. You're welcome. Eta brought you here. Fate brought you here. The universe brought you here today. And we're going to do the right thing, to call you back to order, to return you back to your roots, to know your own father's chambers, and to know your own father's lodge, what they live for, what they died for, what they willed for you. That we will continue to be above and not beneath. That we will continue to lead as the firstborn. The dance we are dancing now is like the dance of the prodigal son. You see, we are there chanting, we are the first, we are the first. Our father is Abraham. We know our father Abraham. We know our father ancient, people of the ancients. That is the dance we are. But do you know? Are you not also singing like the victim? Do you know why you are dancing, singing, naked, like a victim on it? 746-day mat planted here is for a purpose. Pay careful attention. Number one, you're going to make the right decision today. With the staff of command in our hands, no less, no more, no different from the staff of command in the hands of Moses. Removing his own people away from illusions that keeps in slavery, indentured servitude, from delusions that keeps in bondage. Today, we are exercising that same stuff. If you follow the successful, you too become successful. If you build what they are building, a great market, a unity market, a market where everyone will come in and be filled and satisfied and preserved on it and not be destroyed on it, you too will be preserved on it. This is every time for you to do it. Pay careful attention. There's a link that is here below this very video or at the end of this video. Download your own LTB Light Antidote Kit that says no to the destroyer. Could be the Egyptian secrets, could be the American secrets, it could be the Oriental secrets. Download it. There is another combo that comes with it, which is the LTB Lightweight Building Plan. Begin now to go step by step and begin to raise yourself up and change your fortune forever and ever on earth, and change your destiny, your destination in life, to become successful and to allow abundance to surround you. This is a 746th call sent out there and planted here online, just to remind our own children that we did our part, that we didn't feel comfortable pushing on a wagon of poverty to them, but rather we wanted us to live together in unity and in civilization in a secular world. We appreciate your presence here. Pay careful attention. And as a reminder, the 1.44%, they see the world as warfare. Every day of their life, every breath that they take, they see the world as warfare, and they see the world as a global market. Are you buying and selling? Are you standing strong wherever you are, or just comfortable with your wife, sleeping with your wife, making love with your wife? Whereas forgetting that some people are dedicated, they have dedicated their nights and their day in order to be able to say no to the confrontation and affront of the enemy. It's a shame on us, you know. You didn't want to do your own part. You didn't want to share the life for your own children. You didn't want to plant the right seeds for your own children. You didn't want to give your own children the right kids for them to enter into the global market. And you want the world to change around you. You want your environment to change around you. But it is a shame. Matt planted here is a reminder that it's a shame. Pay careful attention. The least that you can do is to share the light so that the people building the perfect pyramid, however small they are, will not be despaired. That they will stand strong and continue to build that healthy market, that unity market, and continue to defend our universe from total destruction. Imagine if our universe entered into the wrong hands. Well, as a reminder, LTB Live Premier member Coach Emin is the voice that you're hearing. We've been doing this from day one, and today is the 746th day of planting this very live magic. We don't do it in the temple, take you into the temple and rub you blind, blindfold you, and keep you blindfolded, keep you begging, keep you kneeling down all the days of your life, keep you in darkness, in ignorance all the days of your life. No, we do it in broader light, light magic, Matt 746. We'll do it for 1001 day as a testimony. Continue to pray for us, and we'll continue to pray for you. Support us, and we'll continue to support you. Okay, so that we'll do it till the end. Okay, we appreciate your presence here. At the end of this very video, remember to like it, share it, promote it, plant it in our world, you know, and the light you shed for your own children, for your own people, for your own land, is that very light that is going to keep and preserve you here on earth. Did you hear what we just said? That light that you shed, that profound light, that marvel light that reveals enemy plot, enemy agenda, enemy missions, that is the same light that will preserve you here upon the face of the earth. And do be well. Let us see again tomorrow, which is the 747 today. Cheers. Keep reflecting and meditating on this word. Thank you.